Your business gets a new lead from a Google ad. Exciting, right? But without the right tools, it's also confusing. With Social Marketing Group, there's no confusion. Instead, there's automation. Your ad leads are directly funneled into your CRM. Autoresponders are sent both via email and SMS. And that lead? It's added to a Google spreadsheet, and a separate Google task reminder is sent to you. So how does email and SMS automation help your business grow? When your lead enters your sales funnel, it is vital that email and SMS messages are nurtured or dripped immediately until the client responds. This aggressive and effective marketing allows you to concentrate on expanding your business while the email and SMS automations work 24/7 non-stop. Ready to cultivate growth and boost profits? Social Marketing Group. We make automation easy for you so you can exponentially grow. Contact us today at 602-330-6681. Once again, that's 602-330-6681. Call now.